Tejas from Juba Daddy. Is doing some sick work. Very fresh stuff. Tell us a little bit more about yourself and your background.
Tony, how are you doing? So currently, I was working on the product Jupiter Daddy. I made it 6 months ago at Jupiter Hackathon, which was in July at Hyderabad. So I made Jupiter Daddy there. So basically, it's more like when a user starts Web3, he all he hears about is DeFi, like they trade this, trade that, liquidity provide, and all the stuff. But when he actually starts to trade on it, it could be a quite overwhelming for him to actually use that stuff, like connecting his
Hmm.
wallet to Jupiter and swapping the tokens is all right. But when he wants to go to one more level up, like making recurring orders or making trigger orders, it could be a bit overwhelming or complex for him to understand. And even on other Telegram bots, he had to learn the commands and all the stuff to actually use it. So it wasn't quite user friendly. So some of my father's friend who were trying to get into Web3 and trading, so they were reaching out to me saying that okay, you are into Web3, you are earning from it, so how do we actually start to use it? So I
Definitely.
felt a bit about it, so that's why I tried of making a Telegram bot which like they can actually trade using just the natural language. Like they just give the prompt or say thing that okay, notify me when Solana hits $150, or place an order of zero point 0.5 sol when Solana hits itna karke. So it would
Right.
automatically parse that what the user is trying to do and make a trigger order of it or recurring order of it, like whenever it's 10 a.m in the morning, by zero point 0.5 sol for 10 days consecutively. So it would place this uh, what to say concurrent order in the Jupiter API. So yeah, that's how
Okay.
it was working earlier. So
Hmm.
6 months ago. So now the poly market was trending and many people were asking about it. And same goes with poly market. Like if you go to poly market and actually try to bet on something or actually try to search your niche, it could be a bit overwhelming and complex for you to get started. So I was thinking to
Yeah.
implement the same functionality implemented in the Jupyter for the Jupyter APIs for this the Poly market, so that in the quite clean interface they could actually start using the Poly market and understand how it works.
Okay. Awesome. Sounds great, man. Why don't we go ahead and dive in and see a demo? Because I'd love to see kind of like what it looks like. I know you've got it kind of cooked up in Telegram, so
Mm-hmm.
let's see what it actually hits for.
Sure thing, sir. So the bot isn't live yet. It would be live by the end of next 2 weeks. Currently, it's in development progress because the Jupyter API part is partially working, but they have changed their API or something, so that's why it isn't working well. But yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So if I want to let notify when Sol reaches above, let's say 120. So it would notify me, send me notification if it would reach above that. And just give me a minute. If I want to get the roots of this, span 0.1 sold to USDC, it would hit the Ultra API to actually grab the roots for this swap and for trigger orders.
All right. Going for that. Let's
Mm-hmm.
rip. Trigger
Yep.
it up. Lock and
At
load.
let's
Let's see.
say $127. So it would
Hmm.
send me confirmation if I want to actually create this order at trigger order so that there doesn't happen any mistype or something.
Right.
So confirm and create order, execute order. But yeah, the like I don't have the enough balance for the this trade, so it would show me this.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And this is for the recurring orders. Like as I said that if I want to buy this much Solana or this much every day at 1 a.m. So it would place a recurring order for it.
Oh, clutch.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Yep, 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 yep.
And I love the
Cor-
convenience right there in Telegram. Gives you
Yes.
a ton of different examples for prompts.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So many different
currently,
activities you can execute
currently
with agents.
NLP and all they're working smoothly. Only problem I'm facing it with this API parsing only because
Hmm.
they have changed their API from the V2. So yep. So basically that was it. Like it would show me all the history of what I've asked and all.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, that was it. Like I'm currently working more on it. So yeah,
Sure.
I'll.
Looking fire though. Yeah, it's coming clean,
Mm-hmm.
really fresh. Talk to us more about the token and what it will mean for the token holders to hold.
Okay, so can I stop sharing my screen?
Sure.
Huh. Uh, so about the token, so currently when I will actually launch it, I will do some beta testing for it for the closed circle or for the closed people. I will open the waitlist form for it soon for when the Poly Insider one will also be ready. So after that, when I launch my token, after that there will be tiers of it, like the free tier and the premium tier for this Telegram bot to use the Polymarket feature actually. So the people holding my token will actually get like free premium tier free for some months who will buy it in early sale, and then the afterward who they will when they will buy the token, so they can get some percent off from for my this premium tier.
Okay. Excellent. Super cool. And I know the product, was looking fire in Telegram. And I know you're building an app for it too. But talk to us about the roadmap, maybe, in the next 3 months to 1 year from now.
Okay, so currently this the Jupiter one is almost ready. Before the mid of January, the Polymarket feature will be ready, and by the end of Feb, we will be done with the beta testing and all the stuff. And before the mid of March, we would actually like launch it all into the market, and then people could actually start using it.
Okay. Okay. Excellent. Very cool, man. Well, anything else you'd like to tell us? Where can we find you, first of all?
Okay, so currently I am in third year in my college, like Triple IT in Raipur. But yeah, I've been relocating to Bangalore. I was there for 3 to 4 months recently, where I was working with Tracy AI. It was a startup on XDC network. So yeah, currently I'm here only.
Okay. Awesome. Super cool.
Mhm.
And where can we find out more about the project? How can we actually utilize your bot?
Uh-huh. So I will post it on my Twitter and also the bot's Twitter also.
Okay.
This my
Excellent.
project's Twitter. Yep.
Epic.
And I'll
Cool.
make
Well,
a
thank you.
Telegram group of it too, like for to share the insights and everything of the project.
Yeah, definitely, Ribbit. Be sweet.
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool, brother. Well, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Super cool
Mm-hmm.
idea, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, very applicable right within TG. So that's clutch.
Okay.